I'm a game changer. I'm a risk taker. I don't hide from the battle. The battle hides from.
Okay, steady, right there. Great. Sugeng injing ingkang terhormatipun. Hey, what's up, everyone? Hello, CoSpace RoboCup 2020. No. So sorry guys for that was a little bit crazy, but anyways, hello there, Ryan here from Indonesia. So basically I made this video intended as a finalist requirement for this competition. Yes, it's CoSpace RoboCup 2020. Thank God, Alhamdulillah, I'm very grateful. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. As the saying goes in Indonesia, tak kenal maka tak sayang, which if in English, do not know, then do not love. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Oktariano Ramadan. Also, you can call me with Ryan or Okta. I'm 18 years old. I study at the Madrasah Aliyah Negeri Sidoarjo High School and I'm from Indonesia. Okay, if you ask, which category of CoSpace robot platform am I involved in this competition? I involved in the RCAP CoSpace Rescue Challenge U19. Yes, because I'm 18, that's obvious. Next. Actually, I'm really confused. This is kind of fun fact or just an ordinary fact. I mean, because this is the first time I've been involved in the world of robotics and also my first competition in that field. But I don't know, suddenly I'm just interested to know more about the world of the technology, artificial intelligence, and stuff like that. What I learned from this CoSpace robot is how I as a beginner can master the field of virtual robotics, especially with some basic materials that I can understand easily and quickly, because we can learn and practice directly by analyzing the problem faced. Then, from the iCooL challenge itself, I got a lot of benefits, especially regarding experience of my passion which I can develop in the future. Actually, CoSpace GP first step U19 ID1021 from Indonesian region. The reason is because even though he is still in elementary school, he has the high enthusiasm for learning something new, and I think it's very inspiring how as an 18 years old teenager, I must also have new enthusiasm for learning, especially when I think at this age I must also be wiser again in looking at the next few years' innovation. Of course, by continuing to work and becoming an influencer of other people, especially my family and closest friends, about the knowledge that I have gained during the learning struggle process. I use to pursue the code because it can use Indonesian and easily understood by beginners like me. Well, for your information, my friends, I was also mentored by a robotics expert. His name is Mr. Yudi. So here are the benefits that I get. One of which if there is a problem that I can't solve by myself to the top, I will definitely discuss it with him. For example, to give AI to the robot's movement to avoid obstacles, because there my understanding suddenly went blank. Likewise, for the effectiveness and efficiency of the method that I use. Search from several journals and also from my teacher's knowledge. So, maybe that's what I can share. Actually, it's quite simple and easy. Plus, I'm also the first time learning about robotics, coding, artificial intelligence, algorithms, and stuff. So I applied the thought of trying to imagine what if you were a robot that needed an AI program to be included in you, such as being able to walk straight, turning without bumping into something, overcoming obstacles, picking up things, and stuff like that. Actually, I summarized it from a lot of articles that I learned before I started learning to give AI to a robot, like form, besides that, also in doing these things, I always can't be separated from the name time management and schedule of concept activities, such as the first one, decide where you are interested in the platform that this competition provides. Like me, CoSpace Rescue U19. And second one, download all PDF materials available on the CoSpace robot web. Then read carefully and repeatedly to understand correctly. Third, look for additional references material also from the internet, some books and stuff as I've mentioned before. Why? Because for me it's important not to understand the new thing so that I can understand 100% of what I do and what I did. Fourth, if all materials and facilitations are available, continue to stop making the program. For myself, I usually work when my mood is in a good condition and return to self-awareness and responsibility. And last one, fifth. Finally, don't forget to always pray on each other's beliefs. Okay, because this is very important. So guys, those are just a few things I can share from my own impression as a beginner in joining this competition. It's quite fun and challenging because I'm the one who also likes the challenge. Many things I can learn from this competition, especially in learning robotics. Then I also say a massive thank you to the CoSpace Robot 2020 for choosing me as one of the finalists to represent Indonesia, of course. I'm very grateful and happy to be a part of the CoSpace RoboCup 2020 extended family. Hopefully, the knowledge that I can be useful for me and others in need. Hashtag CoSpace RoboCup 2020. Terima kasih. Thank you. Bye-bye.